more than 750 students from 9 middle schools across Oʻahu got hands-on instruction and guidance about college and career options during a half-day fair at the Hawaiʻi Convention Center. The Hawaiʻi P20 Partnerships for Education Middle School Career Industry Fair featured dozens of exhibitors, including more than 30 from University of Hawaiʻi campuses and programs.
So the goal for today's event is really to help students see that there is a pathway between education and success. And we want them to start thinking about their career goals so that when they go into high school, it'll help make their learning relevant. And then when they continue on to college, it'll help them to achieve and aspire to what they want to become.
College leads to better opportunities, and research shows that in only 2 years, 70% of jobs in Hawaii will require a college education. The value of the event was not lost on students like Washington Middle School 8th grader Tia Cunningham, who was interested in marine biology or law or photography. She said the fair provided
thorough explanations on what the jobs are that you can go through. Because just saying marine biologist is very basic, but here I can get a nice explanation on what it is.
Fellow Washington Middle School 8th grader Laura Rogers said she got key information about jobs, what grades she would need to maintain, and the cost of college.
So this really helps us out trying to figure out, and I want to be a cardiologist, so this really helped me figure out where do I want to go.
Hawaiʻi P20 executives stress the need to build partnerships between education and industry and create a seamless educational pipeline that ensures the future generation of workers will meet the demands of our growing economy.